Good morning, everybody. Old School is back at it again, and welcome to another Sunday morning ride with Old School. Now, grab that favorite cup of coffee and come ride along with me this morning. This morning around 7 o'clock, I climbed onto that old 26 Honda Goldwing and headed it toward that old Texas City Dike. Now, this is also my first real ride using my new Insta360 X5 camera, which I showed y'all on the last video. And I wanted to see just how well it could capture the ride. Now, instead of putting out one long video, I broke this Sunday morning ride into 4 weekly episodes so we can enjoy it together, one Sunday at a time. And while you're watching, pay close attention to those new camera angles and the 360-degree footage from this new camera. Then get down in those comments and let Old School know what you think. Alrighty, is that coffee ready? Let's go ahead and ride. Okay, now we made it to the Texas City Dike. How's it going? First time being here.
You got a decal?
No. How did I go about getting a decal?
You live in Texas City?
Well, I live over in Bayou Vista.
Is that a mall?
That's Hitchcock.
No. That's what kids did. I always called the Bayou Vista was the mall from Texas City, so it is Hitchcock.
Well, they call it Hitchcock and Galveston.
Okay. This your day pass.
Okay.
You can go in and out.
In and
This all day.
for one day.
Good till 6 in the morning, one day.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Enjoy. Be careful.
Get out of your way here. Okay, folks, now we're going to tour this Texas City Dike so y'all can see what it's all about. Well, it's been decades since I've last been here. So we're going to go all the way, we're going to go all the way to the end and see how things are. People out there surf fishing. We'll stop by there on the way back and video them. Look at that beautiful sunrise. We had a hurricane come through here that wiped everything out. I don't know if y'all know it or not. Now, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of our Sunday morning ride, but we're not finished yet. Now, join me next Sunday around, let's say, about 8 o'clock in the morning, a.m. Central Time, for episode 2, as we continue our ride to the Texas City Dike. Now, one thing I want to add is I found out I hadn't been to that Texas City Dike in about 40 years. And after the last major hurricane just kind of wiped that thing completely out, I was really surprised at how it turned out. I mean, it's gorgeous down there, and you're going to see that in the videos. Now, anyway, if you enjoyed the ride, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. And if you hadn't already, go ahead and leave a comment about that Insta360 footage for me. Now, until next Sunday, y'all take care of yourselves. Stay safe, and as always, y'all stay blessed.